This latest Razer Blade may look similar to last year's model, and that's true, however many has changed on the inside of this Razer Blade. Most notably, this year's Razer Blade has Nvidia RTX graphics in the platform and improved battery life. In addition, this version also adopts the Windows Hello infrared camera for secure facial login. Price and availability. For a 15-inch Razer Blade with Nvidia GeForce RTX graphics inside, this Razer Blade comes with $2,299.99, £2,199, $3,899, price tag to start. The price give you a model rocking RTX 2060 graphics that drive a 144 Hz, 1080p display paired with 512 GB of SSD space. From there, you can upgrade to an RTX 2070 Max-Q graphics chip paired with just a 256 GB SSD for $2,399.99, £2,399.99, $4,099, or with a 512 GB SSD for $2,599.99, £2,449.99, $4,399, both with the same 144 Hz Full HD display. Razer's RTX 2080 Max-Q graphics option comes paired with a 512 GB SSD for $2,999.99, £2,849.99, $5,099, and drives the very same 1080p display. If you want a 4K display at a 60 Hz refresh rate, Razer sells that model with RTX 2070 Max-Q graphics and a 512 GB SSD for $2,899.99, £2,749.99, but not currently in Australia. In addition, you'll find a hexa-core Intel Core i7-8750H processor paired with 16 GB of DDR4 memory on the piece that can be expanded up to 64 GB. Design. This all-black, unibody aluminum shell, keeps the exact same angular shape like the last year's model. This year's Razer Blade is marginally thicker than before, but just as hefty at 4.63 pounds, 2.10 kilograms. This laptop is just 14 inches wide with a 15-inch display, thanks to those thinner screen bezels. The webcam in this piece is situated above the screen while implementing narrow bezels. At just 720p, it produces an awfully grainy picture, though it's still good enough for video calls. Unfortunately, Razer still hasn't fixed the keyboard's layout problem, with the up arrow key sitting between the shift and keys. This makes typing out questions a major problem, accidentally pressing the up arrow and adding a question mark to the line above where we are typing. Display. This piece comes with 1080p screen and 144 Hz refresh rate, which smooths out the animations and motion by outpacing the frame rates that the GPU inside is capable of.